Intuit TurboTax will help you determine if you are eligible for the new Clean Vehicle Credit. To begin, sign into your account and select Pick Up Where You Left Off. Then go to Deductions and Credits, scroll to the Cars and Other Things You Own section, and locate Energy Efficient Vehicles to begin. For the year 2023, there are clean vehicle credits available for new, previously owned, and commercial vehicles. Individuals may qualify for a credit of up to $7,500. The amount a person qualifies for is determined by their total income tax and various specifications of the energy-efficient vehicle they purchase, including its manufacturing location. To be eligible for the credit, the vehicle must be purchased for personal use and not for resale, and must be primarily used in the United States. Additionally, the modified adjusted gross income must not exceed $300,000 for married couples filing jointly, $225,000 for heads of households, and $150,000 for all other filers. For new and previously owned clean vehicles, the credit cannot exceed the amount owed in taxes. Any excess credit that cannot be used to offset taxes is lost and cannot be carried forward for future use. For example, if you owe $375 in taxes and receive a credit of $500, your tax owed is reduced to zero, and the remaining $125 is forfeited. No refund will be issued for the excess $125. TurboTax will then guide you through a series of qualifying questions. If there are any difficulties or questions about specific terms, click on the blue Learn More links within the guided section for further clarification. For more answers to your questions, visit ttlc.intuit.com/community.